The backstitch creates a very strong seam, especially the closer the stitches are to each other. And today I'm gonna show you all two methods of creating a backstitch. You can start from right to the left if you're right-handed, or do the opposite if you are left-handed. The first method I'm gonna introduce today is called a step method, where my needle will step the fabric. So I start with the point 1. I bring my needle up at point 1 from the bottom. I just take it through and then insert the needle at point 2. Go straight down. And next, I'm gonna bring my needle up again at point 3 on the fabric. Bring it up. And then insert the needle down again at point 4. Insert it straight down. Okay, so now it forms up 2 back stitches and there is a gap in between, which looks like the first line on the top, a dotted line. But if you do not like the space in between, you can make a line stitch, which I will show you in a moment. So you bring the needle up again and insert the needle right on the previous end point, which is number 3 here. And just to repeat that, you bring the needle up at the point next to the previous end and then insert the needle right on the previous end point. You can get a line stitch if you continue. The second method is a little faster, and this time you don't use your needle up and down, but instead you're doing the horizontal way. And same thing, you bring your needle up and here is the point, but this time you're scooping up a little bit of the fabric and then pull it through. So you see it's formed like a loop, and you just need to pull it up. Same thing, just to repeat what I did. You insert the needle into the fabric, but this time not the entire needle, but just a couple of it, and then scooping up a little bit of fabric and then put it through it. The key to make a nice looking back stitch is to make the stitch length consistent.